Excuse you. Hi friends, it's me. I have my base done, my brows done, and my eyes primed, and we're gonna play with Blue Blood. I got this in the mail the other day, and I opened it yesterday. I didn't touch it, I didn't do anything. I didn't want to put makeup on my face yesterday, so I just like looked at it. And today we're gonna put it on. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. I'm pumped. Okay, I'm gonna start with blue. Am I? No, I'm not. I'm gonna start with Blue Blood, this one, which is kind of, I would say, a little bit darker than the shade of the palette. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna play with the blues and the greens today. I'm gonna leave the peaches for something that I'm doing with this palette later. They're so pigmented. Oh my god. I'm using one color. Outer third-ish area, through the crease. Like a sky blue. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That was a Sephora Pro Tapered Crease number 19. Now I'm going to switch to a Sephora Pro Shader number 18. It's just a teeny tiny itty bitty brush, and I'm gonna take Blue Monday, which is this one, and use that to deepen up. I don't want to ruin this little cloud. I already ruined the little crown. These are so cute. And I'm just gonna use that to deepen up this outer, like outer corner. Wow, that's pigmented. So I'm just popping that there. I'm sorry if you can hear the washing machine. I desperately need to do laundry because I am leaving for a trip soon. And then I'm going to take, this is a 217 from MAC. The washer sounds very violent. And I'm just going to buff over that to blend it into that other shade. That washing machine, I'm so sorry. Next I'm taking the Morphe M562, just a teeny tiny, these are all stained red from the Blood Sugar palette. And I'm gonna take Mint Tea, this one, or Minty, I guess, Minty, it's spelled as one word, Minty, Mint Tea, Minty. Please stop. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this up with this little brush and blend out these edges. Just a little bit. Just like adding a touch of green to the outside. But not too much. I don't want to turn the whole thing green. There we go. Yes. Next I'm going to take Entitled, which is this green down here. This is very sparkly. And I'm just going to push that on the lid. I got some fallout. Not a big deal, because it's kind of a crumbly shade because of the glitter. There you go, gone, easy. I'm just going back in with my 217, just kind of blend these edges a little bit. They basically like blended themselves. For the lower lash line, I'm going back in with Blue Blood. And this is a 219 pencil brush from MAC. We're running this across the bottom, and then more of that mint tea shade. With that little tiny blending brush, just blend out these edges. And then for the, what is this called? Cullinan? Cullinan. Sure. Brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to take the white. So this is the eyeshadow done. Wow. I'm gonna put black liner in my tight line, blue liner in my waterline, curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then I'll be back with you. Here are the eyes done. Oh my god, I am living my mermaid fantasy. So let's, oh my, I just want to keep looking at it. So let's finish off the face. I'm wearing pajamas. I'm wearing the pink Power Ranger pajamas. It's a onesie and you can fight me on it. Contouring my cheekbones with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. It's a Luxie 504 large angled brush. Oh my god, look at that eyeshadow. I just want to keep looking at it. Focus on what you're doing. Blend out your cheekbone. I wish my cat could hand me my brushes because I have them all like in a bag over there, like on the couch. And she's sleeping next to me and I just wish she could pick up the brush and hand it to me so I didn't have to keep going through the bag. Bronzer, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, some Bdellium 955. Blush, this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Mood Exposure. For highlight, of course I'm going to use this. This is Deep Freeze from Jeffree Star, and this is a Real Techniques fan brush. I'm going to like go ham today. Why not? I have blue eyeshadow on. I'm going to put on blue lipstick. Like, let's just do it. Mermaid Fantasy. I don't want to put this down my nose, though. I know, that's too much. It's so blue. I just went in. Not a care in the world. Okay, I gotta buff that in a little bit. It was just my powder brush. Little too ham. Little too ham. Push it back. Relax. Calm down. I'm also under a bright light, so of course you're going to see it more. So I'm going to go back into the palette and take that same white highlight shade. Make sure my brush is clean. And put that down my nose. And I'll keep it so now it's more icy rather than straight blue. I'm going to put a blue lipstick on. Did I put it in here? Where'd it go? Found it. I'm going to do what I did last time with the blood sugar palette. I'm going to take my highlighter with my finger. That's better, much better. That's what I wanted. Here's the finished look. I'm in love with it. It's all over my teeth now. Wow, I'm in love with this look. I don't really wear blue. I don't really do colors. I don't know who I think I am wearing so many colors lately, but wow. I'm living my full-on mermaid fantasy right now. I love the contrast with my hair also. Oh, this is so good. Oh, I love it so much. I just want to keep looking at myself. So that is Blue Blood. I am so excited that I was able to get my hands on this. I'm gonna close it before I, oh my God. God, I'm so happy I was able to get this. Bless. So yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely wear the eyeshadow without blue highlighter and blue lipstick on. But, wow, I just want to keep looking at it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon.